Devotees, Jai Baba ki. Welcome to my channel Trilok Bharti Revli Dham. Today we have come with another new video, so let's start. Today I went to Revli Dham, met Kala Pandit ji and discussed about Baba. Then Kala Pandit ji expressed views on Baba and Baba's devotees, some part of which I am going to tell in front of you. So let us know what Kala Pandit ji said about the devotees. Blessed are those devotees who considered Baba to be supremely revered Sant Shiromani, the soul of all. Those who believing in hypocrisy ghost dreams, living the deeds of Devdosh, Grahadosh, Pitradosh, Jyotish, Yagna Yagnik, etc. have expressed devotion in Bhakti, consider Baba Trilok Bharti as their guru. Blessed are those devotees who have recognized that Baba is the Par Brahm Parmeshwar, Lord of all, East of all. He is the soul of the world. He is the formless. It is corporeal. It resides in every particle. It is luminous. It is the form of knowledge. It is unique. Knowable is wide. Everyone conscience is there. He is highly revered. Those devotees are very fortunate who both worship and see the holy feats of Babaji. Blessed are those devotees who are living a peaceful life after getting Baba's darshan and free from distress and suffering. Blessed are those devotees who feel proud by worshipping Baba lotus feet, considering Babaji as their guru. Blessed are those devotees who have understood that it is impossible to get freedom from trouble without service of God and devotion to God. Those who adopted the path of bhakti by not insisting on karma kand is lucky. Those devotees who got the opportunity to visit the abode of Baba Trilok Bharti. Blessed are those devotees who, due to the merits of Karodo of birth and by the grace of God, found the path of salvation from Baba devotion and troubles. It would be fair to say that in this Kaliyug, Baba has appeared not to give relief from troubles, but to fulfill the devotion of his devotees. Blessed is that devotee who, considering Baba as his guru, informs the common people about Baba and show the way to the abode. Blessed are those devotees who have accepted the feet of Babaji in all the four holy places and religious cities like Kashi, Mathura, Vrindavan, Ujjain, etc. And what more can I say? Blessed are those devotees who do not get tired of discussing Baba, devotion to Baba every day, faith in Baba, greatness of Baba and penance of Baba. Devotees who have faith and trust in Babaji, in the end they attain Brahm. I also express my gratitude to all those devotees who have taken a pledge to take forward the Sanatan Dharma by considering Babaji as their Guru through Ved Sambandh, Guru Shishya Parampara and are leading for the protection of Sanatan Dharma.